Here, in the frozen urban tundra of Canada, we observe one of nature's most enduring rituals. The winter migration. In search of coffee, his internal reserves critically low. Without caffeine, survival becomes uncertain. Wind, snow, and the quiet hostility of -30. Most species would retreat. The Canadian does not. And yet, he continues, for he knows this is not his first winter, nor will it be his last. At last, a warm glow appears through the storm. The coffee shop. Hope returns. Evolution has taught the Canadian a single rule. Do not complain. Simply endure.